welcome back to another video. So I thought I'd work on some tips today. It's been ages since I worked on some tips. So I'm doing 5. I'm that used to doing 4 on my flexi hand recently. I'm going to talk through this video, so I'm going to have to get a shimmy on. I much prefer talking during my videos, but when I'm using things like builder gel and polygel or designs that are quite intricate and slow, I have no choice but to do voiceovers, or else the videos would just be too long. But I'm going to talk through this one. I feel like it's been ages since I've had a chitter chatter. Anyway, right, I'm just going to do a quick, easy, simple design today. I'm using 2 colours from my Umikk. So we've got 194 and 207. So it is just a very, very nice pale nude pink. And this is like a pale nude kind of beigey, creamy, beautiful colours. So I'm going to be using them 2. And some foil. This is from Charlie's Nail Art. I can't remember the name of it. I'll have to put it up on the screen. But it's really, really pretty. So this one, I want foil on the bottom half. And the foil is going to be going over this cream colour. So I'm just going to put the cream on the bottom half of this nail. Get it as straight as I can. I am going to be covering that with striping tape, but the striping tape is that skinny. It really needs to be as straight as I can get it. Sorry if you can hear cars as well. I've got my window open, it's really hot. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. This one is going to be a full cover of the foil, so I'm going to completely cover this one with the creamy nude colour. Yeah, I've slowly but surely been switching all my gel polishes over to these Umikk because I really, really like them. Still got a few staple colours to get, like a black. I haven't got a black yet. But I think I'm pretty much there with the rest of them. Right, that's going in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, so this one, I'm going to put foil just on half of the nail. So I'm just going to use a striper brush and just go straight down the middle. Get it as neat as I can. I will be using striping tape on this as well, but I still want to get it as neat as I can. Right, that'll do. And then I'm just going to use the brush from the polish bottle to fill the rest of this in. Right, that's going in a lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, whilst that's curing in the lamp, we'll get the top half of this done, which is going to be pink. This pink is beautiful. Perfect nude pink. I love it. It is really, really nice. Again, get it as neat as I can. Right, and stick that in the lamp as well. Right, and the other half of this needs to be pink as well. I'm being very lazy here. No, I'm not risking it. I'm not risking it. Trying to take shortcuts. No, I'm going to get my striper brush out. I would have wrecked it. Sorry, I go quiet when I'm concentrating, guys. It's been that long since I've done a video where I'm talking. Right, let's get that in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, I wasn't sure whether to do an ombre on these 2, but I think I'm just going to do 1 pink, 1 beige. I'm going to keep this set really simple. We'll put a bit of bling on it as well, so it's not too simple. So this one's just going to have a full cover of the pink. Yeah. And then this one, a full cover of the beige. And I think we'll put either some glitter or some bling on this one. Just making it up as I go along. Do you know, sometimes the best sets are the ones that you make up as you go along. I've had some sets where I've planned it down to every last little gem and they've ended up going in the bin. But we'll see how these turn out. Right, let's get these cured. Get some foil on. Right, so while them others are curing in the lamp, I'm going to get foil glue put on these. Get these cured. Right, so foil is going on the bottom half of this one. So I just want the foil glue on the bottom half. This is Umikk foil glue. Cures in a lamp for 30 seconds. My favourite foil glue. It never misses anything. It's brilliant. This one's going to be a full cover. So I'm going to cover this whole nail. Right, and this one, I think I'm going to use my striper brush to get this neat. I'll do the majority of it. Actually, I don't need to use my striper brush because I can just line. I can just line the foil up, can't I? Alright, yeah. I can just line the foil up straight. Right, I'm going to get these cured in the lamp and then we'll get this foil put on. Got a bit of wrinkling there. I don't know if it's the glue. I think it's the glue, but I'm not bothered. I'm going to cover it up. Hope for the best. Right, let's line that up. Perfect. And get it stuck on. Yeah. I don't know if that's the... I think that's the glue that wrinkled. I don't know why. I'm using a new lamp. Maybe I need to cure it longer in this lamp. We'll see if it works. Right, let's have a look. See if it's worked. Yeah, it seems to have worked. Yeah, it's worked fine. Oh well. Right, let's get this one. This is a full cover. Oh wow, look at that. Look at them guys, how pretty are they? So pretty. Gutted about that wrinkling. I'm hoping my top coat might cover it. We'll see. Right. Now then, what are we on with? Striping tape. Let's get some striping tape on these. Right. I don't know if to do 1 piece or 2 piece. 1 piece or 2 piece. It's very difficult for me to see. I need to be directly above it, but I can't get directly above it or else I'll cover the camera up. Right, is that straight? There, that's straight, isn't it? Right, let's chop-a-rooney it. Yeah, that's straight. Shall we do 1 more above it? Or will that wreck it, do you think? No, I think we'll do 1 more above it. I like 2. Yeah, I like that. I like it a lot. I'm snipping them just slightly shorter than the actual nail tip. Oh, sugar. So I can encapsulate it in the top coat. Oh, that's so pretty. Right, let's get this last one done, this long one. Right, that's where we're at, guys. I think they're so cute. They look quite vintage, don't they? They do, they look quite vintage. Right, let's get them top coated and get some bling on. I think they're really delicate and pretty. Something completely different to what I would normally do, but I like them. I do, I like them. I love these transparent foils because totally depending on what colour you put them over, you get totally different effects. Ooh, what's that? Striping tape as well. I always like to swipe it sideways with my top coat first, just so that it doesn't go underneath. If you get top coat underneath your striping tape, oh gosh, it's a nightmare. You have to peel it all back off, and yeah, so that's just a little trick I like to do. This top coat's beautiful. I love it. Right guys, that's them finished. What do you think? Very vintage looking, aren't they? Very vintage looking. I quite like, do you know something? I like them. I do like them. It's not something I would wear on my own nails, but as a design, I like them. I love that gel polish. I love it. I really, really do. That foil's very pretty. But yeah, I do. I like them. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. Look at that glossy top coat. Wow, so glossy. Anyway, guys, hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.